Well, well, well. That looks like a beach down there. That looks like a metal detector right there. Well, 7 weeks, almost 8. No metal detecting. Had a house renovation. My house. So, I think we're gonna start hitting the beach again here. We had a pretty bad May up here in New England. Real crappy weather. And the beach didn't erode the way I wanted it to, so I kind of held off. But we'll give this dry sand a try tonight. See if we can't find anything. Right. Getting a 1246. Nada. On. Quarter. Well, there's a few people out here getting a few coins. No jewelry. We'll keep swinging. Nice night though. Beautiful weather. Good set of eyeballs. Never hurts. Look at that. Put my scoop right in front of it here, in the back of it. Surf just uncovered a coin. All right. Another quarter. I'm quarter rich. Sometimes when you're hunting down here, you can get a strong wind out of the west. It blows straight off the coast. You don't even need a metal detector. You get a lot of sand that gets blown away, and you can actually walk along and find coins and rings that just the sand's blown off of them. It's always a little thing I've done. Good tip. Those kind of days are lucrative to metal detecting. A lot of people will put stuff on towels, whether it's money or rings, jewelry, and you get a high wind, it blows that stuff right off the towels. So those days are pretty good. I also like the wet sand when I get big waves. People go in the water when there's big waves, especially when there's tropical storms. And the first thing they do is they lift their hands up, and the big wave comes in, it knocks their jewelry right off. So those are hot days too to wet sand. Like I say, we've had a crappy spring. I think it's gonna pick up though and do some wet sand in here once this water warms up. Still kind of chilly though. I just got myself a dump truck. 1147. Oh, it's a nice one. All right. Nice little truck. Wet sand should be picking up soon. Get some more hot weather. Got one here. $9.42, possibly silver. Quarter. Lots of quarters tonight. Uh-oh. Got something good. Just saw it. 12.40. Probably junk jewelry. Sounded good though. Top couple inches, beginning of the summer. Dry sand always works. Looks like there's a stone missing. Junk jewelry maybe. Yeah. Getting a 12:30 something. Good way to tell if a beach has been detected. If you see a lot of surface trash, pull tabs and aluminum right on top of the surface, you can usually depend on somebody's been there and left that stuff there. So I look for deeper stuff too. If I'm getting deeper targets, usually that beach hasn't been hammered. We'll dig this out. Sounds like a penny. Come on. Yeah, it's a penny. Oh, it's a Canadian. I think they stopped making those. Those are probably collectibles now. Well, here's the wrap-up video. Pretty good on the quarters. I get 4, 8, 12, 15 quarters, 6 dimes, 2 new pennies, 2 copper pennies, and a Canadian penny. And they don't make those. Those are collectibles. Jewelry, well, I got this little pendant, but definitely appears to be junk. I checked this bail, it's unbroken, and I broke a cardinal rule tonight. When you find a pendant on a beach and that's unbroken, good to slow down, put the machine into all metal and slow down and do a little grid pattern. Chances are you'll come up with that necklace. And me, well, I didn't even use my own saying tonight, so probably lost a necklace too I could have had. But well, it was pretty good. Get a dump truck and a little toy soldier, but been gone for 7, 8 weeks, but at least I'm back, so hopefully we'll get some gold here and get some good finds this summer. Stay tuned, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.